Have you ever thought about what a circle sounds like? Well, it sounds like this. Just a frequency of sine and cosine. How do you see the circle? Well, if you press just these buttons that are out of frame, there you go, there's the circle. Now, what about a square? Well, let's turn off the circle for a second. There's the square. The square looks like this, a little bit different than the circle, but still more or less just a wave. So go back to this view. Now what happens if you play the sound of the circle over the sound of the square? Well, turn back on the circle. If we turn back on the square, we can see that as we slowly increase the frequency, we can watch the circle outline the square. Now watch what happens if we slowly increase the frequency. And look at the patterns that emerge.